How to add local files to Spotify on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Spotify. Click on your profile located at top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. In Settings and Privacy, click on Apps and Devices. After you have clicked on Apps and Devices, you will find Local Audio Files option. Turn that on. After you turn on Local Audio Files, simply open Files Manager on your device. Then locate where your audio file that you downloaded is. Hold on to the file, then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find options, click on copy. After you have copied, go and search for Spotify's file. Paste it in the Spotify file and then open Spotify. Click on your library at the bottom and you'll find local files playlist. Simply click on it and all the local files you downloaded will be in here. This is how to add local files to Spotify on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.